Welcome to the vlog, everyone. My name is Terrell. If it's your first time to the vlog, welcome to the channel, guys. Welcome to the Eurodrive channel as well, and welcome to my TW collective channel. So guys, I'll be with further ado, I just want to update you guys on what's been going on before I leave the shop, because I'm always working throughout the day, so I forget to like update you with the status of stuff that's going on and all that stuff. So remember I told you in the last video that I'm working on the livery and etc, etc, etc. So here is a quick little look of what, it's not final, it's just what I have in my mind of something, you know, that I would want to do to represent the business and as a whole and stuff like that. Let me turn the other light on before I leave, just to give you guys a heads up, so you guys don't think I'm slacking. Matter of fact, update on the B5. Update on the B5 auto exposure, but yeah, sorry, update on the B5. Axles are in, she's good to go. On this car, the shifter tower is in, shifter tower is back in, shifter assembly I should say, that's back in. Before I had a shorter one, it wasn't lining up properly, and before that I had an eBay one that was wobbling, so I went back to stock. Matter of fact, let's hop in this bitch right now. Should start. Oh, it's dead as fuck. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna put a jumper pack on that, but it's dead, sadly. But I bled this car. This car runs. She's good. She's 100%. Only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some thicker oil in this car, and then after putting thicker oil, I'm gonna do the coil packs real quick. I will be right there. Give me a second. Give me a second. And yeah, so this car is good to go out. The 1.8, in the last video I showed you guys that I was gonna put the accessory on there. This is the update. All the accessories are on, everything is timed, crank gear is on, etc, etc, etc. Everything that wasn't there before. It's just AC stuff. For the cooler, I didn't put the rest of the stuff on because the customer insisted on using his own crack pipe, which is like the coolant line that goes across here with the thermostat and the rest of the stuff that goes in that area. So, and then for the clutch, I'm just waiting for the little assembly tool right there and alignment tool, and put it back together, and we should be good to go. That's where we're at. And on TT, just need to put the nose on this car, make the wiring harness a little bit neater, and that's it for now. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and just let you guys know where I'm at on the cars. And soon time is coming and we will be there eventually. And oh, on the Renault, we did do the boost lines, delete and stuff like that. Here we go real quick. All the stuff was done on the Renault. So now we just need to put a window regulator in this car for this side, and she should be good to go. On the RR, we're just waiting on a plastic piece. Yeah, so she started. E85 make this car takes a little bit to start, but I just switched the tune over, so I have like 70 miles on this left on E85. So I'm gonna drive all that E out and then start using pump gas, because in winter it's very difficult for any car to start that runs on E85. But my baby is back. I'm supposed to clean the shop up, but I'll get it done tomorrow. It's already 12, guys. It's already 12. So with that being said, my day here is done. I'm gonna clean up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.